It's gonna make a bean. Coffee. That's my coffee.
Maybe it'd be easier to just pour that whole bowl in. All right, grind them up. All ground up. Let's look at them. All right, that looks good.
Can I put these in here? Can I put these in here?
Sure. All right, take your spoon and mix it up, and then we're gonna heat it up on the stove.
I'm making coffee for you. I'm making coffee. I'm making coffee.
All right, we gotta let it get hot now. Good job.
Cooking. Did you see the fire?
Ooh, I see the fire. Check it out. Is it done yet? Done?
Sprinkles. I'll put sprinkles in it.
Ooh, that looks like nice dark coffee. That's the best kind.
I put sprinkles in it.
You put sprinkles in it? What kind of sprinkles?
Coffee sprinkles.
Ooh, coffee sprinkles.
Do you see coffee sprinkles?
I see them. Very nice. Wow, you are so good at that.